In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create an audio file within Messages app, use this plus on the left and click on Audio in the pop-up. Once you do, it will automatically start recording. When you're done with your audio file, click on red button. Now to listen to it, click on the play one. To extend it, click on this plus and continue recording. To send it, click on green button on the right and to discard it on the X one on the left. If you want to add an audio file, you can tap on plus icon, and all you can do within this app is scroll down to tap on music and click on a song you wanna share. Then go back. If you want to record a video file and add it, use plus icon again to choose camera section at the top. Switch from photo to video at the bottom and record your video. Then you can retake it by clicking at the top left corner, edit it by clicking at the bottom left corner, send it instantly thanks to this blue button, or attach it to your message by hitting done. If you want to pick already existing video file, use this plus. Sorry, I just want to remove this one. Pick this plus again, choose photos and scroll down. Now tap on your video instantly, or if you can't find it, use searching options at the bottom. You can also hit collections at the top and pick a video over here. Then use this check mark at the top right corner to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!